We will now create a bucket, upload a file in the bucket and try accessing the file. For that, we go to the S3 home. We click on create bucket, enter a name and let all other values be as is and click on create bucket. We see our bucket has been created. Let's click on it and there is the upload button. We will add a file. We'll select any file and the file details appear over here. The remaining details, we will let it be all the default values and upload. Once it is successfully uploaded, we can close this and we see our object has been uploaded to the bucket. So let's click on the object. The details of the object appear on the browser and we see that there is one object URL. So we'll try accessing the object and we see that we are getting access denied. So we have to go to the object permissions tab. Here we see the ACL, but the edit button is disabled. Along with that, there is this message. This bucket has the bucket owner enforced setting applied for the object ownership. So we have to enable the ACL in the object ownership. We go to the bucket permissions tab. This is the object ownership. We click on its edit and ACL enabled. Here we have enabled the ACL for all objects within the bucket. We'll go back to the objects page and refresh the permissions tab. Now we see the edit button is enabled. We'll click on it, but we see that the read checkbox to grant the read access to the public has been disabled, and that is because public access is blocked because block public access settings are turned on for this bucket. Let's go back to the bucket permissions and there is this block public access which is on. We have to turn it off by unchecking this and saving. Then we will refresh the permissions tab of the object. And we see now the checkboxes are enabled and we can grant the read access to this object. Now we will go and try accessing the object again and we can access the object.